I am a full-time trader that does not work your regular 9 to 5. And I wanted to come on here and make this video because I know that's a lot of people's goals, right? That was my goal in the beginning. I hated all my jobs and I just wanted to be able to do what I enjoyed full time. Now, I will say it's a lot harder of a journey than I thought it was going to be. Me personally, I've been trading for over 4 years now, and I honestly thought this point would come faster. Now, to let you guys know, I've been a full-time trader for quite some time now, right? I didn't just quit my job. It hasn't been too long, but I have been a full-time trader. Now, the thing about being a full-time trader, right? And this is going to be one of the things I want to bring up early because, like I said, this is a lot of people's goals. So I want to mention this. In order to become a full-time trader, this is what I recommend. Have at least, bare minimum, 6 months worth of proven consistency in the markets. And I would say at least a year worth of your bills saved up, because in order to be a full-time trader, you do not want to be forcing a trade in order to pay your bills. You do not want to be like, man, I need this trade to be a W so I can pay, rent, or I can pay electric. That is not going to work out long term. You're going to be too emotionally tied to the markets, to the trade, to where you're just going to be making mistakes, right? To backpedal for a second though, I wanted to get that out the way. I've always wanted to do something that wasn't like your regular job, right? Before I was 14, maybe like 12 or so, I would make fingerboards, like the little tech stuff, and I would sell them at school and stuff. Then at 14, 15 years old, I got my first job as a busser, like server's assistant. Ended up leaving that at like 18 for a dishwasher. Ended up quitting that to go to college, like trade school, to be a mechanic. Ended up graduating from there and then getting a job as a mechanic, making $13.50 an hour, doing anything you can think of on a car. And I just realized I am making basically no money, and I got 7, 8 ASCs or something like that. And this is not what I want for my future, right? I just was miserable going to each and every one of my jobs where I hated it, right? I hated it and I knew something needed to change. Now, when it comes to my journey to becoming a full-time day trader, I put in so many hours to the charts, like it's crazy. I really wanted it. I had the vision. I was going for it 100%. Now, I did work at Walmart. I forgot to mention that. I worked overnights at Walmart. When I worked overnights at Walmart, I would be listening to podcasts, audiobooks, anything you could think of to better myself, like business related, trading related, anything like that. That's what I was doing at Walmart. Headphones in, wasn't talking to anyone. I was working overnights, like 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., so it was a lot easier, but that's what I would do. Then I would, at 7 a.m., I'd go home, eat, hop on the charts, mark out all my levels and stuff. 9:30 comes, and then I'm trading, right? And then I journal after and go to sleep. Wake up around like 5 or something like that. I would hop on the charts, literally be back testing, seeing how the day went, seeing how my levels were respected, stuff like that. Go to work, and then, it would just be from there, right? I put in the work. I was putting in hours and hours a day. Even when I was at work, I'm listening to audiobooks, podcasts, listening to trading videos, stuff like that, because I really wanted it. And I knew if I wanted to become profitable, I really needed to put in the work. That's the main difference, I think, when it comes to a lot of people, right? They want it, but they don't actually put in the work. I will say I've been trading for over 4 years now, and it has taken me longer than I thought to get to this point. Now, I did not just quit my job. I've been full-time for quite some time now, but when I did quit my job, I thought it would have came a lot faster. For me, I took the long and harder route though, because I didn't get a mentor. I didn't join like any groups or anything like that. If I would have invested in myself and got a mentor, did one-on-one mentorship, something like that, I think I could have been profitable a lot faster and could have been, full-time trader like a lot sooner than I became one, So, that's just what I wanted to let you guys know, because like, if you really want to take this serious, you're going to have to invest in yourself. That comes with business and stuff. When I first started trading and when I was a beginner and all that stuff, I didn't think I needed to go get a mentor or do any of that, because I'm like, I can learn from my own, I can learn by myself and just do that, right? But then I realized, which is possible because that's what I did, and other people can still do it too. I'm not saying you have to get a mentor or anything like that, but it will make it easier. But I've noticed a lot of successful people have mentors. And that's what changed for me. And I already became profitable when I like fully realized that. But a lot of people have mentors. So now where I'm at in my trading journey, I trade full time. I have a group where I am helping traders reach consistent profitability. They're passing challenge counts, they're getting payouts. I'm working with students one-on-one, having a personalized trade plan built for them where I'm hosting 2 calls a week for them, one-on-one to hold them accountable, see their progress, stuff like that, right? So when it comes to me full-time trading and not having a job, I have a lot more free time. But with that free time, I want to put back into something that can better myself and better other people. And that's why I opened that group a while ago and really want to see it grow, because now when it comes to like my trading, like modern day trading journey for me, it's like I still love trading, obviously. I love making money from it. I got to make money from it. But I also love seeing other people get results. They pass their challenge counts. They get their very first payout. They're starting to get consistent payouts. That is just one of the best feelings, right? And it is possible. It's 100% possible. And I know some people are going to think, in their journey, oh, I'm not going to get profitable and stuff like that. Trading is literally like higher highs and higher lows, up, down, up, down. It's a roller coaster, but you have to keep on pushing. And I do have some notes here on my phone that I just wanted to go over. The emotional pressure you're going to get from trading is going to be huge too. Now, this is what's going to make it easier, and I do not recommend going full-time until you check these boxes. Minimum, right? You need a minimum have 6 months worth of proven consistent profitability in the markets. Minimum 6 months of proven consistent profitability. The next thing is you need to have, in my opinion, at least a minimum of 1 year worth of bills in your bank account, because we all know trading is a psychological game. There's a lot of emotions tied to trading, especially if you're a beginner and stuff like that, right? The last thing you want when you're trading full time is to have to rely on that trade hitting your take profit or it being a W for you to be able to pay your bills, right? You do not want to sit here and be like, oh my God, I need this trade to hit take profit so I can pay electric or I can pay rent. You're going to be way too emotionally tied. You do not want to be making those stupid decisions and setting yourself back so much further, man. Like, it's crazy. One thing I can recommend to you guys is journal everything. Journal how you're feeling before the market, during the market, after the market. Journal your winning trades, losing trades, even on your no trade days, journal that. Figure out what your best days are, worst days are. You want to gather all that data in the learning process while you're working your way up to becoming a full-time trader, so you can have that stuff while working your way up to a full-time trader and being a full-time trader. You want to have as much knowledge and data. You see a lot of these business people and all that, right? They have data on what works and what doesn't work. They have a lot of knowledge on their product and what they're doing, and you guys got to do that too. You have to treat trading like a business if you really want to be able to do this full time. I treated trading like a business since the beginning. I was putting in hours and hours and hours a day. Saturdays I was doing it. Sundays I was doing it. Before work, after work. I was giving up time hanging out with my friends and family and stuff, just locking myself in the room because I was so dedicated and I had the vision to where I know I need to make this work. I loved what I'm doing. I'm happy doing it. I need to make it work. And the only way I was going to make it work is making sacrifices on who to hang out with, when to hang out with people. Like, I need to be devoting as much time as possible to these charts. And I want you guys to realize it's not going to be an easy journey. It is not going to be an easy journey, but it is possible. It is possible. And I'm still just a regular person, right? I don't own a Lambo. I'm not in a high rise or anything like that. I did just get a nicer place compared to my last apartment for sure. But I did it all through hard work, and it's just leveling up. My apartment was cool, right? Now I leveled up to this. Once I make more profits and I get better business opportunities, better investments, stuff like that, then we go to the next level. We go to the nicer house, nicer car. We keep on working our way up and up and up. I never get content because life is just a game, really. And I'm just trying to level up as much as possible. I'm on the come up. I did not have a rich family when growing up whatsoever. So that is why I'm so heavy on the come up story, and people that want to have a come up, I would love for them to be a part of my team. A lot of people get it messed up to where they think you got to have like a 100% win rate to be profitable. Those people They're not in reality of the trading world yet, and they still don't know what they're talking about. But it is possible, guys. It is possible. And like I said, you can do it yourself for sure. 100% you can. I did it, and I know you guys can too. It will speed up your journey, in my opinion, to have a good mentor. And I know mentorships and groups get like a bad rep in the trading space. But I mean, me personally, I love the people in my group. I do not have a lot of people in my group yet, but majority of them, man, are really serious. They show up every single day, and that's why I opened that group. I don't need 1,000 people in there that don't want to take it serious. I just want people in there that will take it serious, actually want to learn from someone that's been in their shoes. I'm still just a regular person. The only difference between me and a lot of the members in my group and a lot of other people is I trade full time. They don't. They're still working a job. They're still on their journey trying to get to that point to trade full time. So what I can do as a mentor is teach them what worked for me. Teach them the things I did to go from an unprofitable to a profitable trader, from a 9-to-5 worker to a full-time trader. It's as simple as that. I went from a 9 to 5 to a full-time trainer, and I enjoy what I do, right? And that's why I'm so passionate about my group and my mentorship, because I want to be able to teach people what I did. So if they're unhappy at their jobs, they can do this full-time, And what's going to catch a lot of traders, like what's going to make them feel a lot more behind and what's going to make them struggle even more, is not going to be the strategy. It's the psychological aspect of trading, the over trading, over leveraging. Whenever they take an L, they revenge trade, that sort of stuff is going to keep majority of traders unprofitable. And like with the one-on-one mentorship, I'm there to help them stay accountable, review their trades, tweak what they can and can't do, see what's working, what's not working. Some people just need that, right? And that's why the people that invest in my mentorship, that people invest in my group, I devote so much time to them, because I'm actually wanting to teach them. In the premium group, I'm live 7 days a week. With my one-on-one students, I do 2 weekly calls. They have direct access to me where they can text me whenever they want, I'm always working on the back end with them. So I'm literally busy majority of the time, making videos, editing. I quit a 9 to 5 and I'm busier now. Just the reality of it, right? And I did that though because now I have free time, so I need to fill that free time in with something that's valuable to me and to others. But anyways, all right, the camera ran out of storage and it's about to die, so I got to wrap this up. But what I want to end this video on is, your family and your friends might not believe in you because they don't see the vision. I had a very supportive mom. A lot of my friends didn't really know what I was doing, but hey, it is what it is, right? But some people are not going to be blessed to have a family that actually sees the vision they do and believe in them. They're going to think it's stupid, you need to do this, blah, blah, blah. Parents think they know best, which, they're your parents, right? But if you're doing something that's not traditional and, your parents don't really know what it is, they're not going to think it's the smartest idea. For me personally, if I have a vision on, I want to start this business or I want to start trading, whatever, right? If that's what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for it. Any other noise, like negative noise, I'm blocking out because I have the vision, I'm going for it. They're not going to know what I'm talking about because they don't even know what it is or anything. Your friends might say, oh, that's gambling, or you're not going to become rich from that. An example, right? Posting on social media, it's corny, it's lame when you have no followers and you're not doing anything big, right? Not making big numbers or anything like that. But when you start getting million view videos, when you start getting 100,000 followers, now they're like, damn, he has clout, like how do you do that? Put me on, right? But when you're small, it's lame. You're corny, just like trading. Oh, you're not profitable. You're never going to be profitable. That shit doesn't work. It's a scam. When you become a full-time trader and your friends are out there working and stuff and you're just chilling at home on your computer, making what they make, in a week, in literally an hour, they're going to be like, put me on, blah, blah. You didn't believe in me at first. Why do you want to say now? People are caught up to think every other opportunity is a scam. They think that's a scam, that's a scam, that's a scam. And that's why they're in the position they're in and where they're, and that's the reason why they're probably going to be in that position for the rest of their life, because they think every other opportunity is a scam and they don't want to take that risk. A lot of people at, 21, 22 years old, what do they want to do? They want to go to the club, they want to party, this and that, right? They don't want to invest in a business or anything like that, but they do want to go to the club. They don't have time to invest in a business or work on themselves, but they have time every Friday and Saturday to go to the club. Pick and choose who you hang around with. But I'm going to end the video off because the camera is about to die. I wanted to talk a lot more, but if you guys want more videos like this, just let me know, right? I'm trying to post a lot more consistently on YouTube. If you want to trade live with me Monday through Friday, have access to the Saturday educational call and the Sunday market breakdown call, click the link in the bio or click the link in the description that says trade live with me. If you want to take it to the next level and have a one-on-one mentorship where I build a personalized risk trading plan for you, I help you learn my strategy in depth. We have 2 one-on-one weekly calls a week. You have direct access to me, and the list goes on, plus lifetime premium access, so you never have to pay again for my group. Click the link in the bio or link in the description that says apply to my one-on-one mentorship. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Peace out.